Okay, so let's change this high pressure fuel sensor. I bought an original one. When it comes to sensor, I learned you cannot mess with aftermarket ones. You need to go with the original ones. Okay, so before we change it, we need to make some room here. We need to remove the air filter, which is held on by 4 screws, like that one. There's one there, 2 more on the other side. Then remove these leads, which are held in place by some clicky things. So remove this one from here and the other one from there. Then this cable from here for the hood switch needs to come off. Oh, the air filter box has a couple more screws here I forgot about. Okay, then you have to remove this cable holder and the other one, and then this old thing, it's held in place by a couple of screws. Okay, let me just get to it. One is here, one on the other side. Then you can remove this whole thing. Then you can get to the engine acoustic cover. Couple of screws here and another one somewhere, or a couple more, I don't remember for sure. We also need to take the oil cap off so you can remove this, and then we'll see the fuel rail and we can replace the sensor. But before we do anything else, first thing, unplug the battery. Very important. I already took the negative cable out, because you know, every time you work with disconnecting sensors and such. Oh, also put this one on there so you cannot accidentally close the trunk. Yeah, so when you remove sensors, better to disconnect the battery so you don't get unnecessary errors, but also because you are working on the fuel lines, you don't want the fuel pump, the electrical one in the trunk, to in the tank, to start and spray fuel here. So yeah, first thing, disconnect the battery, and then we need to remove all that stuff. I did a detailed step-by-step in my previous video about changing the injector, so I won't go through it again. I just jumped to the changing of the sensor. Okay, so now everything is removed and we can finally see the fuel rail and the sensor over there. This one, this is what we want to remove. This is the high pressure fuel sensor at the end of the fuel rail. This is the fuel line from the tank, and it connects over here where it has the low pressure fuel sensor, this one over here, and from here it goes with this pipe all the way to the here. It goes like so, the high pressure fuel pump, and then we have the high pressure coming here at the rail, and then we have the pipes for the injectors there. So we need to remove this one. To change it, first I need to find out how to unclip this socket. I think it has something underneath. Okay, I'll figure that out, but then what I can see is that this fuel line is on our way, so I won't be able to take the sensor out unless I first disconnect this, which I'm not sure how it works. Maybe I need to remove this plastic thing and then push this black safety thing inside, and then probably it just pops out. I'll try. So let's see if I remove this. This clip, and then if I can maybe push this yep, okay, I get fuel. It stinks, but I can remove this. Come on, get out. What the hell? Yes. Okay. Man, now let's see. How can I remove the socket? Yep. Up. Okay. This one is in my way as well. Okay. This needs to be pushed like this, and then you can take it off. I think this is the vacuum from the PCV. Anyway, now I can remove this socket as well. This has this clip here that you need to push. I don't know if you can see it. Push this clip, then it unlocks and you can remove it. So this is out of the way. The fuel line is out of the way, and now we can remove the fuel pressure sensor. It says 27. So let's see. Now I expect like a lot more fuel because this is high pressure. So let's try to contain it. What? No, nothing. Okay. Okay, then we put in the new one. Okay. Okay. Then we can plug in the connector. Then this line which clicked, and then okay, so now this is held in place. The PCV pipe for the vacuum, I guess. Yeah, and that's about it. I'll start the engine and then check if we have leaks. If not, we are done. and we are done. Everything is back where it was before, filter, everything. I didn't notice any leaks after replacing the sensor. So that was all. Thank you, bye.